this assessment asks us to show the mechanism of the reverse reaction of the acid-base reaction on screen. When we look at this, we notice that Cl- is picking up a proton to become HCl in the reverse direction. NH4+, the ammonium ion, is losing a proton to become NH3. This tells us that chloride is the base and ammonium is the acid in this reverse reaction. And so let's draw out the Lewis structure of the ammonium ion. And knowing that we're going to transfer a proton from the nitrogen to the chloride, we can show the reaction in this way. Chloride can use a pair of electrons to grab the proton, pushing these electrons onto the nitrogen. Accounting for the bonds and the lone pairs and the movement of those electrons, we see that this pair of electrons becomes the new bond between chlorine and hydrogen. This bond here between nitrogen and hydrogen, after that proton is removed, these electrons become the new lone pair on the nitrogen atom.